Hi, welcome to Julia's Embroidery. I'm going to show you how to do seed stitch today. They're basically just little stitches that you can put in groups going in different directions to create little patterns. So on this one I'm going to do it to create the top of this daisy. So basically you just put one stitch in and then put another one at a different angle. And just keep them as even as possible in size so that they're all kind of uniform, but in terms of direction you want them to go in all sorts of different directions. Now I will take it, because this pattern has an outline, I will use the little seed stitches to go around the edge in a straight line so that it covers up that line. But otherwise, if you were filling a space, you wouldn't have to worry about that, and you could just go in any direction. And you can also have them overlap a little if you want. So come up and take one that goes over another one. But it's useful for when you have little spaces that need filling. You can use it for sand and snow or seeds. So that's what seed stitch is. I also use them to catch down other stitches, such as if you do one long stitch, let's say you wanted to do a long stitch for this stem here, you didn't want to use any other kind of stitch, perhaps it would be coming away. If you did that, you'd be able to put your finger under it. So you could add little seed stitches, perhaps at these points where they wouldn't be very noticeable. You'd just come up and take a tiny seed stitch over the long stitch to hold it in place. So they're useful for that too. But yeah, just experiment with them. Just have fun creating different directions and filling in spaces with little seed stitches.